Want to skyrocket your website's credibility and boost your SEO? Then stick around, because in the next 90 seconds, I'm going to show you exactly how to add your glowing Google reviews to your WordPress website. First, head over to your WordPress dashboard. We're going to be using a plugin to make this super easy. Navigate to Plugins and click Add New in the search bar. Type something like Google Reviews Plugin. You'll see a bunch of options, but look for a plugin with good ratings and lots of installs. A popular choice is widget for Google reviews or site reviews. Once you find one you like, click Install Now, and then Activate. Now, find the plugin you just installed in your WordPress menu. It might be under its own menu item, or nested under Settings. Click on it to access the plugin settings. Most plugins will require you to connect your Google My Business account. This allows the plugin to access your Google reviews. Follow the plugin's instructions to authenticate with Google. This usually involves clicking a button and granting permissions. Once connected, the plugin will likely ask you to specify which Google Place ID you want to pull reviews from. So find the correct place ID that is related to your website to ensure that it is fetching the right reviews. After connecting and finding the right Google Place ID, the next thing to do is configure how you want your reviews to look. Most plugins offer customization options for the layout, colors, and the number of reviews displayed. Take some time to tweak these settings to match your website's design. Now for the fun part, displaying the reviews. The plugin will usually provide you with a shortcode or a widget for a shortcode. Simply copy the shortcode and paste it into any page or post where you want the reviews to appear. For a widget, go to Appearance, then Widgets. Drag and drop the plugin's widget into your desired sidebar or footer area. And that's it. Your Google reviews are now proudly displayed on your WordPress website, ready to boost your credibility and attract new customers. Don't forget to check out the plugin's documentation for advanced features and troubleshooting like this video if it helped. And subscribe for more WordPress tips and tricks.